All right, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text 3. So let's click on our taskbar here. Click on the Google Chrome icon. I'm going to go up to the address bar. I'm going to type in download Sublime Text 3 and hit enter. And then I'm going to click download Sublime Text at the top of the page there, and then we're going to click on Windows 64-bit. It's going to download the executable right here. We're going to double click. If it pops up a window asking for permission, hit yes, and then you will get the Welcome to Sublime Text 3 setup wizard. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through each step here. So I'm going to click next. It's going to select a destination to save your files. It's going to be in the C drive, program files, Sublime Text, that's fine. We'll hit next. For me, it's going to give me a pop-up because I had this installed before. So I'm going to click yes to replace it. Select additional tasks. We're going to leave that blank and click next. And then it's going to show you where it's going to install. So let's click install. And there you go. So now we have Sublime Text 3 set up, and I want you to click finish here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click the start button. And at the top here, it has Sublime Text 3. So we're going to click there, and we're going to open it up so we can just take a look at it. And that's it. So this is Sublime Text 3 right here. So it has quite a few features. So this is Sublime Text. It has quite a bit so this is Sublime Text. It has quite a bit of features in it. And so in the next video, we're going to install MAMP. I will see you there.